guys, welcome back. This is Sierra, and in today's video we're doing another cooking type video today because it's getting cooler in Tokyo, and when the weather gets cooler it makes me want to bake and make a lot of spicy flavored things. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing a pumpkin spice granola recipe because in the fall I just love pumpkin spice. Although if you ask me, it's not pumpkin spice, it should be called autumn spice because the same spices almost are used for apple things. But anyway, so I'm going to make an autumn spice granola today. I actually already finished making it. I'm filming the intro kind of like afterwards, but it's made out of just a few really healthy ingredients, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing we have to do is we're going to set our oven to about 325 degrees, and then we're going to get a big bowl into which we're going to mix all of our ingredients. First we're going to start with the liquid, so we're going to start with just under half a cup of maple syrup. The original recipe says a quarter of the cup, but when I had Mr. try it, he said that it didn't really feel sweet enough, and when Mr. says something isn't sweet enough, you know it's not sweet enough. And then I added about a third of a cup of sunflower butter. The original recipe said to use almond butter, but we don't have any of that, so I'm guessing you could probably use any nut butter that you want to use. This is just what we had in our house. And next we're going to add our minerals and spices. I have 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie, aka autumn spice here, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to take a big whisk and we're going to mix it a lot, like a lot, until it's completely incorporated. Once it finally looks like one uniform mixture, you're going to add in about 2 cups of rolled oats, followed by 1/2 cup each of pecans, pumpkin seeds, and unsweetened coconut flakes. And then, you guessed it, we're going to get back in there with our spoon and we're going to mix it. I like to start out with the spoon at first, but then in order to make this granola really good and crunchy, you want to make sure that the liquids really penetrate the oats. And the best way to do that is just to get in there and massage it in. I know it sounds weird and gross, but I promise it makes a difference. Next, you're going to prepare a cookie sheet of some sort. I used a silicone baking mat here, but you could use parchment paper if you wanted to. Then you're going to press your granola into it so it's nice and firm. At this point, your oven should finally be nice and hot, so you're going to add your granola and then set your timer for 20 minutes. Once the timer screams, you're going to take it out of the oven again, give it a good stir, and then put it back in the oven for the last 10 minutes of cooking time. Once the timer screams again, that means you're done. You can take it out, let it cool, and put it into any container you want. Okay, so now you guys have seen it. That concludes my pumpkin spice granola recipe that I like to use in the fall. If you guys have any questions about it, go ahead and let me know in the comments. Since the holidays are coming up pretty soon, this would be a really good gift to take with you, like to just any family gathering, maybe a gift exchange, or even you could give it as a gift. Usually when I give granola as gifts, I do it in really big mason jars. I had a lot more of it, but someone ate half of it yesterday. It was the dog. He did it. You guys may know that there is a little bit of a difference in the recipe that I use that I linked in the bottom and the recipe that I showed you guys, and that's because I've actually done this recipe twice now. The first time I did it, I followed it exactly as it said, and Mr. tried it and I had it a couple of times, and I don't know, I just don't really think that it was sweet enough, and so I doubled it in the second batch and it was a lot better. And I mean, I don't think there's anything wrong with unsweet granola, but when I want something that's like autumn spice, I want it to be sweet, I want it to be decadent, and I want to just really enjoy it, you know what I mean? So if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.